Hey guys, and welcome back to How to Make Elements from Household Materials. Today we will be preparing some potassium metal through the reduction of potassium chloride using lithium. Potassium chloride is easily found as salt-free salt in grocery stores, and lithium metal can be removed from lithium batteries, which I show how to do in a previous project. To begin, 25 grams of potassium chloride and 4 grams of lithium metal were weighed out. The lithium chunks were squished between some pliers to increase the surface area, and then it was loaded into a steel tube, which had one end welded shut. During the loading, the potassium chloride and lithium pieces were added alternately so that everything could react easier. A screw cap with a steel brake line welded on was attached to the tube, and then everything was placed inside of a hollowed-out refractory brick with a hole in the side. The apparatus was placed on a slight angle to keep the reaction mixture in the bottom of the tube, and the output line was inserted below some mineral oil to collect the potassium as it distills over. To initiate the reaction, a blowtorch was placed in the side of the refractory brick. As everything heated up, the brake line was occasionally heated to ensure it stays above potassium's melting point of 64 degrees Celsius. As the temperature increases, lithium reacts with the potassium chloride to produce lithium chloride and potassium metal, which then distills over through the brake line, condenses, and is forced into the vial. Lithium is a very strong reducing agent and can even reduce other alkali metal compounds to the pure metal. Unfortunately, partway through the distillation, a small leak occurred in the steel tubing and a potassium-lithium fire was observed. Clearly my welding job was not sufficient. Thus the reaction was stopped early. A few nice shiny beads of potassium metal were obtained from element collection, and I will definitely be optimizing and repeating this experiment in the future to obtain a better yield. Anyhow, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in a future project. Okay, bye.